Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to easily log into your AIB mortgage account online. If you want to check your balance, payments, or mortgage details, then you can easily jump straight in. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type down mymortgage.aib.ie and search. After you do that, you'll be taken to the official AIB Mortgage page. From here, you can go ahead and log in to your mortgage account. Click the login button in the screen and then you'll be taken to the sign-in area. In the login page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your registration number or email associated with your account. Go ahead and write it down in the text box. Now, after you are done, click Login. On the next field, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Write down your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in your details and if it is correct, click on Login and you'll be able to log into your AIB mortgage account immediately. That's how you can easily log in and access your AIB mortgage details online using your computer or your mobile devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.